Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm showing you my collection of tigers, leopards, Asian elephants, Indian rhinos and hippos. And I've also included my favorite Asiatic bear. Asian elephant. They have a very large and highly developed neocortex, a trait also shared by humans, apes and certain dolphin species. They have a greater volume of cerebral cortex available for cognitive processing than all other existing land animals. Musth is a period when testosterone levels are 100 times greater than non-musth periods and they become aggressive. Secretions containing pheromones occur during this period from the paired temporal glands located on the head between the lateral edge of the eye and the base of the ear. The female is required to cooperate for breeding, so they will only allow the strongest and most fit males to mate with them. In China, Asian elephants are under first level protection. Yunnan province has 11 national and regional nature reserves. Thailand and India also have protected areas for elephants. Asian elephants are extremely sociable, forming groups of 6 to 7 related females that are led by the oldest female, the matriarch. They occasionally join others to form larger herds, although these associations are relatively short-lived. In Asia, humans have had close associations with elephants over many centuries, and elephants have become important cultural icons. According to Hindu mythology, the gods and the demons churned the oceans in search for the elixir of life, so that they would become immortal. As they did so, 9 jewels surfaced, one of which was the elephant. In Hinduism, the powerful deity honored before all sacred rituals is the elephant-headed Lord Ganesha, who is called the remover of obstacles. Tiger. They are able to cope with a broad range of climatic variation, from warm moist areas to areas of extreme snowfall where temperatures may fall to below -40 Celsius. In general, tigers require only some vegetation for cover, a source of water and sufficient prey. Tigers are powerful animals. One is known to have dragged a Gower bull weighing 700 kilograms. They have short, thick necks, broad shoulders and massive forelimbs, ideal for grappling with prey while holding on with long retractable claws and broad forepaws. Their tongue is covered with hard papillae to scrape flesh off the bones of prey. Bengal tigers have the longest canines of any living large cat, up to 10 centimeters in length. The tiger skull is robust, short and broad, with wide zygomatic arches. The nasal bones are high, projecting little further than the maxillary, where the canines fit. Tigers have a well-developed sagittal crest and coronoid processes, providing muscle attachment for their extra strong bite. Tigers are most active at night, when their wild ungulate prey are most active. Tigers prefer to hunt in dense vegetation and along routes where they can move quietly. In snow, tigers select routes on frozen river beds or in paths made by ungulates or anywhere else that has a reduced snow depth. They have a tremendous leaping ability, being able to leap up to 10 meters. Communication among tigers is maintained by scent markings, visual signals, and vocalization. Their vocal communications can be roars, growls, snarls, grunts, moans, mews, and hisses. Each sound has its own purpose and appears to reflect the tiger's intent or mood. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Hippopotamus. They can weigh up to 3,200 kilograms and measure up to 5 meters in length. They lack scent and sweat glands. Instead, mucus glands secrete a thick oily layer of red pigmented fluid. This fluid is a combination of hipposudoric acid and norhipposudoric acid. These compounds create a sunscreen by absorbing ultraviolet rays from the sun and prevent the growth of disease-causing bacteria. The secretion originates colorless and turns an orange-red within minutes of being exposed to the sun. On land, they are able to move at speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour and can maintain these speeds for several hundred meters. In shallow waters, their short legs provide powerful propulsion through the water, while their webbed feet allow them to navigate on shallow river bottoms. Their enormous canines can grow to 50 centimeters and in sizes can grow to 40 centimeters, sharpening themselves as they grind their mouths together during grazing. Sumatran rhino. It is a mostly solitary animal except for courtship and offspring rearing. Males and females spray urine to advertise reproductive receptivity. When the female is ready, she lifts and cocks her tail at an angle. Once the male sniffs the female's rear end and knows she is ready, he starts following her around with stiff and dragging legs. They will both playfully nudge heads and joust with their horns. The male mounts the female and copulation can last for half an hour or more. Both males and females are polygynous. The male will defend a receptive female by charging at a potential competitor. The males have backward-facing genitalia like the hippo and lack a scrotum. The testes are abdominal. The backward curved penis allows for rear-directed scent marking. The females have 2 teats. Leopard. There are 9 subspecies. They are found in Africa. I will put a list in the description below of the subspecies names and where they're found. Leopards have short legs relative to their long body. They have a broad head and their massive skull allows for powerful jaw muscles. The leopard's scapula has specialized attachment sites for climbing muscles. They have small round ears, long whiskers extending from dark spots on the upper lip and long whiskers in their eyebrows that protect their eyes while moving through dense vegetation. The coat colour depends on their geographical range. Their coat colour ranges from tawny or light yellow in warm dry habitats to reddish orange in dense forests. Subspecies are distinguished according to unique pelage characteristics. Their body is covered with black rosettes, which are circular in East Africa and square in South Africa. They have solid black spots on their chest, feet and face, and rings on their tail. Males can weigh up to 65 kilograms and 2.3 meters in body length. Females are smaller. Leopards are promiscuous. With reproduction, both males and females have multiple mates. Females attract potential mates by excreting pheromones in their urine. Females initiate mating by walking back and forth in front of a male and brushing up against him or swatting him with her tail. This is my Bullyland Asiatic bear from 2012. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.